Well, as usual, pluggo buggo. Just the electrical box on the Victory. Open up the electrical box and see a bunch of burned wires. The place where the wires attach on the little bus bar. There's like 7 wires were attached there. The whole bus got really hot and loose connections and got all melted. Had to redo all 7 wires. There was a clock in there. Sorry I didn't get a picture. A defrost clock in there. That's where I removed the defrost clock. It stopped working also. It didn't like the defrost clock was in the upper right corner of that electrical box. It didn't like the bad power being fed to it. The clock just stopped. The timer part of it stopped turning. Okay, 3-door Victory. 1, 2, 3. Old 40-year-old fridge. A little condenser cleaning. Old dog. Oh, the nasty stuff out of the condenser. One condenser. Only one. I think that should be a whole lot better. Can't see any light through it, but the lighting's not right. Liquid line's colder than hell though. Liquid line back here. It's nice. It's not even warm, so condenser's doing a good job. It's rejecting a lot of heat, so doing its job.